Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to order from the GNC app. First, download the free GNC app from your device's app store, available for both Apple and Android. Once installed, either create a new account or simply log in using your existing credentials. Don't forget to enable push notifications. This ensures you receive exclusive deals and important updates directly to your phone, helping you save money and stay informed about new products. Now that you are logged in, it's time to find your favorite products. You can easily use the search bar at the top of the screen or explore various categories like vitamins, protein, or weight management. Tap on any product to see detailed information, including ingredients, nutritional facts, and helpful customer reviews. When you find something you like, simply tap the Add to Cart button. With your cart full, proceed to checkout. Here, you can review all your selected items and apply any valid discount codes to save money. Next, choose your preferred shipping method and confirm your delivery address. The app offers several secure payment options, including major credit cards like Visa and MasterCard, as well as digital wallets such as PayPal, ensuring a smooth and safe transaction process. Before completing your purchase, take a moment to confirm all order details, including items, shipping, and payment. After placing your order, you will receive an immediate confirmation email containing your unique order number and a tracking link. You can also conveniently track your shipment's progress directly within the GNC app, providing real-time updates from the moment it leaves the warehouse until it arrives at your door.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.